Ladies and gentlemen, it has finally come in. It's September 5th, 2019. Here we have the Marvel Legends Avengers Endgame Nano Gauntlet. I guess that's the official name that Hasbro and Marvel and Disney went with, because people call it the Iron Gauntlet, people call it like the Stark Gauntlet. I guess the official name is the Nano Gauntlet, but we all know it as what Tony Stark used to make these sacrifice play. And now you can hold it in your hand and you can say that you are inevitable until somebody comes up to you and says,
hamburger.
It's got our articulated fingers, alright? It's got lights and sounds. It's got a pulsating stone glow. And the box overall is nice, but I think we are all waiting to see what lies inside. I only got baby scissors today. Oh boy. Instruction manual. This baby's gonna need batteries. Alright, let's get it. There we go. Boom. Beautiful. I'm so pumped for this. After seeing Endgame, I knew Marvel was gonna put out one of these with Hasbro. I was very excited when I got the Infinity Gauntlet last year. If you guys remember seeing my video with Zachary, ZM Films. Look at this bad boy! Alright, here we go. Let's put it on for the first time. Let's get it. Look at this. It's nice, it's slick, it's very nicely made here. Wow. Wow, this is great, guys. And I'm wondering if it has the same locking mechanism as the Infinity Gauntlet does. So, see here, right now it is free to move around, but when you do this, fingers lock when you put them down. So that's fun. It'll make for some fun gestures. It took a lot more effort than it should have. Alright, well, without further ado, let's get some batteries for this thing. Alright, guys. Batteries have been put in. Here we are. It's pretty nice looking. I like the sounds it makes. It's pretty cool. Those are all the Avengers coming back in the third act of Endgame. There it is. I like this right here too. I like the padding. It's all just really cool. And now, I think it's time to do something I've been waiting to do for a long time.
I am inevitable.
And I am also inevitable.